Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This kind of what's new. Well, it's 54 degrees right now. It's the 11th of January, and I've got to get my spare vehicle out for one of my children to drive. And that puppy's been down inside the barn there, stored for a while. And I thought maybe I'd go ahead and try and get that out of there today, because we're going to be supposed to get about 16 inches of snow here in the next day or two. So if I don't get it out by now, it's going to be too late. It's actually almost too late right now, because that's as far as I could go. I got caught up in this little snow bank, and now it's doing the, it's just started to spin the tire, and I'm about dead. As you can see down there how wet it was even coming up. So I was even lucky to get it this far. I tried it once before and I got right in here, and that's where I got stuck. So right now that's where it's sitting. So we're gonna have to try the winch situation here. All right, here we are. Right now I got the winch hooked up to the back of the Escape, and what I'm gonna do is I need to turn the wheel in the direction of the Escape. There we go. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the vehicle in drive, because that's gonna make sure everything, it's gonna give a little bit of help to drive the wheels up the hill. And here we go. I got the electric winch hooked up to the little jumper box, and that should take us to the next level here. Get that cable set. Get the phone to set. Come on. Let's watch what happens here. Okay. Now I gotta make sure the cable. See which one's gonna move first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get in this, once I get it out of that little rut there. So pretty much on a straight line right now. All right, well, I'm definite clear. She'll come right on up now. Wow, okay. That worked out well. Worked out well. Very nice. All right. be on the safer side there. It probably would have been a good idea had I said somebody sitting in it and controlling it for me. But again, you do what you got to do, right? Good. Right there. You might have caught the video prior to this where I was trying to get it out of the garage because I was going to use it for the winter until we bought the going to use it for the winter, so the wife could use the, because the wife would be using this escape for the winter. Well, found to the Explorer, and I put the escape on the road. So went ahead and left it down there. Man, the $69 winch, which normally you'd put on a four-wheeler, has come in so handy. It's helped me change two motors. Get my finger out of there. But yeah, this is the little traveler winch. It's been fantastic. Like I said, I've changed two motors. Pull one out, put one back in, and that's straight out. That's straight out pull too. You're not really supposed to do that, but of course it's a 2,000-pound pull, and that vehicle's about, I don't know. I'm not sure pull-wise, but you know, it's about 3,000-pound vehicle. But anyway, thanks for watching. My battery's about to go dead, and you catch me on the next project. I guess this is only going to be Chevy. Yeah, and I'll dedicate this to you know who.